Hi, today is August 8, 2018. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price today. In the last 2 days, I plotted the bottom of the Bitcoin, which is around 6,800. So, in the last 2 days, when the coins was near this price, I try to, buy in some chips for myself. Before I went to sleep last night, the price of Bitcoin was around 7,100. There was no change at that time, so I just take a break without thinking too much. But I woke up this morning and found that the price has fallen to around $6,700. As we can see from the 4-hour key line, the movement of the current price was still an area of platform short last night at 12 o'clock on August 8th, but this high volume shadow line directly broke through the shaking area of the platform around 4 o'clock p.m. on August 8th, making the price once again into the new short zone. Now, at this time, the price of the coin has fallen to around 6,600, and we can see clearly from the daily level K line. At this time, the price of the coin has been running below the neckline support of 6,800 continuously, and the bottom support line of this rally initiated by $5,800. Both of these conditions met the stop-lose condition in my trading model. So this morning I had done a stop-lose of the chip that I brought in the previous 2 days, above 6,600. Yesterday in the video, I emphasized that although the current price reached the bottom area, your purchase must have a clearly plan, and you cannot bring all the chips at one time. Position control is a very important point in capital risk control. Therefore, the 200 stop lose has little impact on me because I had made the position control myself, and the overall position is not very heavy. Okay, as for the next trend of Bitcoin, I am personally out of the market. At present, it is impossible to meet the condition for people to purchase either from the average line or the support line we have drawn along the way. Therefore, after being out of the market at this time, it is mainly on the sidelines, waiting for the completion of the next round of the correction of the trend pattern, and then entering the market when we meet the buying condition again. This morning, I am discussed about the trading model with people on TradingView. That people mentioned the question: the graphic are hard to perfect. In fact, I want to tell you something. In the world of blockchain, we talk about code and lore, which means you can't change the code once it's in effect, even the founder, because this is actually a common point in the blockchain world. So, in the trading world, if you have a complete trading model, then the most severely taboo is to change buying and selling point in your trading model according to your own subjective judgment. Your emotions are not controllable because you will make different things every day and your model will change through the time. If you add too much of your own judgment to the transaction, you probably will facing a lot of uncontrollable risk point. And uncontrollable is really dangerous as it can cause unpredictable losses in your trades. Therefore, we often say in a transaction there must be a principle of buying and selling. You have to set some conditions for your trading. What do you think of the phase? Graphics are hard to perfect. My view is that since we buy and sell with conditions, maybe graphics are hard to perfect, then naturally you will lower your trading frequency because graphics do not meet the conditions of your purchase and you will not be forced to trade. When your number trades goes down, your chance of trial and error goes down. Okay, in fact, if we go back and carefully review our trades, you will find that many of the trades that were made when the graphics did not meet your buying criteria were ultimately proven to be invalid trades. So, if you can filter out some of these invalid trades, it is actually very good for the value of your assets to go forward. Today, I would like to share with you that emphasize that in the future transactions, you probably need to try form your own complete trading model and minimize the impact of subjective judgmentals on your transactions. And that's all. Thanks.